welcome to this professor, and also welcome our online viewers. So here we have the team from two films. One is the Assamese non-fiction film Virangana. It was screened in Indian Panorama. We have with us the director of Virangana, Kishore Kulita, and also the screenplay writer, Mr. Utpal Datta. And the other team we have is from Spell of Purple. It's a short fiction, which is non-feature. And we have the director Rachi Bajania and the director of photography Rajesh on stage. The other team members are also here. Jiku Joshi, who's a sound designer, and Sujana Adusmeli, she has done the editing in that, and also the production designer Shika Bisht. Okay, so we'll start with Virangana first. So this is directed by Kishore Kulita, as I said. Kishore Kulita, he is a practicing advocate in Guwahati High Court, and this is his debut film. And the film, it was screened in the Indian Panorama non-feature section, as I told you. It actually features the Assam Police's first female commando force, Virangana. It was actually first in the country, and it was launched in 2012. And Virangana also had some previous screenings, and it was declared the best documentary in the Cochin International Short Film Festival, and it won the in the Short Film Award there also in 2021. And the screenplay writer of this movie, Virangana, Utpal Datta, he is a veteran. He is also a filmmaker. Two of his films are already screened in IFFI in 2013 and 2018. And he has written over 30 books. And today also, towards the end, we will have a new book being presented here. And shall I tell about the movie a bit? About the movie? As I told, Virangana is the first female commando force in Assam. And these Viranganas, they are trained in silent arms drill, commando training, motorcycle riding, martial arts, etc. And the film is actually made through interviews with core individuals, and through them, it shows the force's role in effectively dealing with the crime against women in Guwahati, India. And that shows, the relationship between the director, who's also advocate, and how the crime is being dealt in the country. And it also captures how these constable women take on eve teasers and harassers and make Guwahati a safer place one day at a time. And first we will go with the first film, and later on we will go with the second film. Okay, if you have any questions, before that I would like the director to give his opening remarks of whatever you want to tell about the film, your experiences with it, what motivated you for such a film.
Good morning, friend. My film Virangana is selected for Indian Panorama. I'm very happy to be here. Actually, I choose this subject because Virangana are discharging their duties in Guwahati to protect women from eve teasing. Since long back, I was planning to do something in fond memory of my late father, and as a student of School of Drama, I had completed one course in filmmaking from IMI. After that, I decided to do something and to make a film in fond memory of my late father. And in 2016, I came to know about Virangana. Even since then, I even didn't know what the role and play of Virangana. I see them in and around Guwahati area. They are discharge their duty. But while I studied the topic, I came to know that Virangana Group is India's first female commando unit which was for the first time introduced in Assam Police in 2012. I officially contact Assam Police Department and present DGP of Assam, Mr. Bhaskar Jyoti Mohanto IPS. He helped me a lot. He furnished some information about Viranganas, and I expressed my views with Mr. Utpal Datta, who is the screenplay writer of this film. He encouraged me a lot. He just told me just proceed and go ahead. I even did not know personally the result of outcome of the film. I will be here one day, and I'll be here in Goa today. I even did not know. I just did my level best, and result is today. You have seen, and I think that Birangana groups were included in Assam Police just to protect women. It's a very unique concept from eve teaching, and I found a new thing in Birangana group that yes, women can protect women, and this is a big thing. And this I want to give message to my film that women are not left behind to men. Yes, women can protect women, and we are really proud of Birangana. That's all.
उत्पल जी आप कुछ कहना चाहेंगे?
Good morning, everyone. I'm really happy to share my feelings with you about this film, Birangana. It is very difficult to write a screenplay for a documentary film. Earlier, I wrote screenplay for my own film, and whenever I go to shooting, whatever I have written, I found very different picture. So I have to shoot in a different way. Again, I have to rewrite. And for Kishore, I can give a complete script. I give him an outline. You shoot in this way, and you will see the footage. Again, you will rewrite. I have given him lots of trouble. He does shooting for one day. Next day, we see the footage. No, this new point is coming, so we have to go this way. Again, I started knitting. Again, he go to shooting, go to shoot. So it took almost 1 year, no? Because he also busy in his work. I'm also busy. In between, we sit on a restaurant. This in between our places. We discuss the everything, and in the off day, usually on Sunday afternoon, we discuss his work. And at the very first time, I didn't know him. One of my friend, he gave me a call and came with him. He gave a bundle of papers about Birangana. He said, "You have to write this." Well, I will read. I will let you know after reading all those papers. And when he left me, he gave me envelope, brown envelope. I said, "It's very good." So that was the first inspiration to go through it. Usually, I have written so many screenplays for others, but a check or envelope never comes. It was the beginning was like that, but it gave me inspiration. That he's very sincere. He is sincere for his work. I'm not talking about the payment. I'm talking about his approach. So I was continuously writing, reading. I write. He shoot it. I wrote something. I got only this portion. I have not captured this portion. It was not able. I didn't found a person. So we have to rethink, rewrite. It was what is called learning and making process. And one day it was over, we have completed, and he told me we want to sit a first screening at the same restaurant where he used to sit. And unfortunately, the restaurant was closed forever. This is our saddest part. So we have started the film in that restaurant in a particular corner, and we are supposed to end this film in this particular corner, but it happened. And before writing Birangana, I had a particular interest in gender studies. I did few programs in gender studies, and I feel very proud to speak that I got my first radio award for a program on women gender in our society. Gender in Assamese literature. Gender studies Assamese literature. I got a Ladli Media Award. And that gave me encouraged to write about this. And when it came to women police, women commando, they are created to protect women victims. So it gave me another viewpoint to establish my viewpoint about gender. Women for women, women to protect women. That was the interesting part. And what I go through is cabinet research papers. I met some Miranganas, I met police officers. Then I realized that it's not a government department only. It is a social organization, and police is doing a social responsibility in another way. That makes me more involved with the project. How a department can be a social organization. Usually, government organizations are government organizations. They have particular color, frame, particular philosophy. But this is social organization as if it is an NGO. That's social transformation. Transformation is department within. That attracted me. And I wrote and I have given him lots of trouble to shoot, to reshoot, to do new thing. And fortunately or unfortunately, he obeyed. And after that, we are here. It is as a screenplay writer, I am very much indebted to Kishore because he's trusted on my writings. He's trusted on my words. I, how he shooted for almost footage was about 8 hours. That footage came into 21 minutes. You can imagine what type of labor, effort he has put into this. And how I had to give him trouble. How much?
Okay. So it's open for questions now. Please. Shoot. Yeah. Please.
Hello. Is Assam the only state to have such a social organization into police department in the country, or the first state to introduce such a concept?
It is a fast step. Fast step to introduce.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
So congratulations on the film, on the documentary. I wanted to know what inspired you, like, what was the motivation exactly to make the film? What inspired you to jump from, like, you were an advocate.
Yes.
So what made you inspired to do this?
Actually, due to my professional work, I was quite busy. But we have all social responsibility, and film is the finest media through which we can send message to society. Since long back, I had an extreme desire to do something unique. So I decided to make a documentary film so that we can give a message to society, and that's why I decided to make this unique documentary film. That's why.
So you didn't have any prior experience in filmmaking. This was straight away.
No. I got opportunity to work as assistant director in some commission program in Guwahati.
So I'm Shakuntala Bharani from All India Radio. Women to protect women. This concept is beautiful. I really congratulate you for a beautiful film. But after making this film and showing that film, I want, as a director and as a writer also, I want to know, being a man, how it will impact or how it will put a light on the general public or general women, what message it will give to the people. I mean, as you said, that Assam is the first state to introduce this type of thought.
Since Priyanganas are already a role model in country, so that I think people will get encouraged and women will feel secure that women can be protected by women group. So there is no question of insecurity. That's why.